On today's episode, you will learn the proven steps to raise your credit score by up to 100 points. If you are like millions of other Americans who are struggling with a low credit score and you are looking for ways to improve your credit history and quickly raise your credit score, you are in luck. Whether you can improve your credit score by 100 points depends on the factors that may be holding your credit score down. If your credit score is in the bad and fair range, you could see dramatic results by implementing the steps revealed in this video. Those with a strong credit rating or higher score may take longer to see improvements in your score. According to the Senior Director of Public Education and Advocacy for Credit Bureau Experian, the lower a person's score, the more likely they are to achieve a 100-point increase. But before we cover the steps to raise your credit score, I would like to mention that data from a 2019 Experian study shows that those in the lowest credit score range have the least amount of debt, and those with higher credit scores tend to have higher debt balances. So, as you raise your credit score, be sure to control how much debt you accumulate. Now that that's out of the way, the strategies to improve your credit history and quickly raise your score are: 1. Order your free credit report at annualcreditreport.com. You can get a free copy of your credit report every 12 months from each credit reporting bureau. 2. Review your credit report from each bureau and dispute any reporting errors. All three bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, have an online dispute process, which is often the fastest way to fix a problem. You can also call the credit bureaus. 3. Pay off accounts and collections. As soon as the paid-off status is reported to credit bureaus, it can benefit your scores. You can remove collections accounts from your credit reports if they are inaccurate or are over 7 years old and too old to be listed. When disputing a collection account or asking for a goodwill deletion, the process could take a few months. 4. Ask your credit card company to raise your credit limits. After you raise your credit limit and keep your balance the same, it instantly lowers your overall credit utilization, and your score is instantly improved once the new limit is reported to credit bureaus. Aim to keep your credit card balance below 30% of your credit limit. For example, if your credit limit is $1,000, then you should keep your balance at $300 or below. 5. Pay your bills on time. Paying your bills on time has the greatest impact for improving your credit score on credit scoring systems. If you missed a payment, contact your creditor immediately and ask them to consider no longer reporting the missed payment to the credit bureaus. If you were delinquent on any payments, understand that those delinquent payments will fade as time passes. Adding more positive credit accounts can help to speed that up. 6. Use a secure credit card. This type of card uses your cash deposit as collateral. The deposit amount is usually the same as your credit limit. You use the card just like a normal credit card, and your on-time payments help build your credit. 7. Get credit for utilities and rental payments. Rent payments are not considered by every scoring model. Some rental payment services offer an instant look-back of the past 2 years of payments. You can use Experian Boost's free Boost service to link your bank account and scan for payments to streaming services, phone and utility bills, as well as eligible rent payments. Remember, if you have a low credit score, you may be in a much better position to quickly improve your score than someone with a strong credit history. As you raise your credit score, be sure to control how much new debt you take on. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, thank you for watching.